So I've not posted video for a long time now. Basically, this is going to be like the tour of my learning. I have some things doing despite I'm still doing other side hustles and still going to school at the same time. Yeah. So definitely, according to is it Joseph Brandon? I don't know if I'm pronouncing his name well. Because UI UX is like a school studying it on its own, because definitely I just learned this new concept. So the concept is according to Jacob's law. So he was saying things like Jacob's law, that Jacob's law is something that definitely states that, okay, I think I wrote it here. It says Jacob's law states that user prefer websites and applications that function like other websites and applications they already use. Now, let me give you an example. Let's say we Nigerians now, we all know about Jumia and we know about Konga. We also know about Gigi. So if you get to take your time to look at those websites, you are definitely going to see that the way Jumia is set up to be, or the way the interface of Jumia is looking, is almost similar to the one that Konga is looking like. Yes, definitely they almost want to use the same color style, but it's more different from Gigi because I took my time to look at it. So Gigi is more using the white and the green color style, and that's the white and green color style, while Jumia is using the white and more of the orange color style. So that's their color. And for what's it called? I think Konga is kind of a bit of its own more color of Jumia, which is a touch of orange. So definitely, he's trying to explain that before you can take the inspiration for designing a website, you have to take an inspiration idea from other websites. Let's take, for example, Uber was already known. So before Uber came to play, it's already been there. So the designer who wants to design the website for boats, then he told himself, okay, how can I get inspiration? He's not going to design something similar to Uber, but his own inspiration will come from Uber. So he will pick its, like, he pick his inspiration from here, take it as a kind of a wireframe or a sketch note, and then draw his own inspiration idea, and then he can go and carry out his work. So now that's what he's trying to explain to everyone who is trying to get this idea from that course, because he states Jacob's law. Because when I was going on, he said Jacob's law, and that's one idea I've put in place and which I'm going to take note of, because he's trying to explain that before, as a designer, you don't just go into the design method of carrying out your design. So he said that before going, you take inspirations from different websites. So maybe you are going into a food website, or you want to design something for the food niche. You have to go to a place that, yes, you can get inspiration of a food website that's already existing, so that you know how to put your own touch. And I think this drew me down to Andre UI UX. He's one of the big UK one of those big UK designers, if I'm not mistaken. If he's not from the UK, maybe definitely from the US. So he said that if you want to get the interface of a design as a designer who is just starting out in the design industry, you can definitely pick up screens from other websites and place it there to boost your design muscles. So definitely, that's one thing that I've come to understand. Despite getting ideas from here, getting knowledge from here, despite I've not carried out my own design. Yes, I know that I've been duplicating designs, but definitely I told myself that if possible, I'm going to learn all those information, because the knowledge from getting it from, like, every knowledge I'm gathering from everybody out there is something that add up to be a 1% knowledge, at least, no matter how small. So well, just definitely stick to this channel, and I'm going to try and see how end comes for every bit of what I'll explain from the course. It's an 11 hours course, and definitely if you want to check the video or the course, you can check the link on my comment section. So stay peace and stay responsible.